It is that time of the year again. The RV is cleaned and we are headed out on our family escapades. Now, I don't typically share videos of bathrooms, but this was a rest stop along the interstate, and this was unique because half of the roof is missing and you're sitting outside while using the toilet. Woo! Hey, Cor. So with all adventures with RVing, we are east of Little Rock, Arkansas. I had to think of where we were at. And Corwin here broke our toilet.
Yes.
So we first stopped here to get some chicken tenders. There was a request in the family for chicken tenders. And when we pulled in to stop, we noticed there was Camping World. So we went to Camping World. Well, this morning our generator also broke and is not working properly. Well, Camping World had the parts for the toilet. The toilet's still not fixed. We have to figure out how to fix it. But they do not work on generators. Luckily, our generator, like most generators on RVs, is a Cummins. As luck has it, okay, so maybe luck was not the generator breaking, but luck is that where we stopped to pick up chicken tenders, there is actually a Cummins service center. So we're hanging out here for 2 hours waiting to get the generator looked at. Typically wouldn't be a problem not having the generator, but we've been driving in 100-degree temperatures. We were out in the sand dunes in Texas. So we are headed toward cooler weather. But now we just got a warning on the phone that there is a severe thunderstorm coming with penny-size hail. That's what you see off in the distance past the Cummins sign. So all kinds of adventure today. We still have 4.5 hours to drive to get to our destination tonight. Yeah.
We've been driving like 5 or 6 hours already.
Yeah, we got up at 6 a.m., was on the road by 7, and
we stopped at 12.
Well, first we drove through that thunderstorm. We got ahead of it. It was not a severe thunderstorm when we drove through. It was just rain, at least the part we drove through.
And now it's caught up to us.
We got ahead of it, and now we get to experience it again, but apparently one of the more severe areas of the storm's coming in.
And if you just looked right there, we just saw a lightning strike.
Yes, there was lightning and thunder, but it wasn't a downpour. And you see Oreo here. Oreo's been out of the camper many times, just going for walks. She wants to be back out with us again.
Look at how cute she is.
Anyways, just a little update on our road trip and all the fun adventures you get to have. The beauty of all these adventures is that you meet people. The people at Camping World were very nice. I told them apparently little elves make campers. Santa's elves, I think, build these RVs. Because I had to get a code off of the back of the toilet so we would know what part we needed. Well, that code is like literally in behind the toilet, which the toilet sets 1 inch from the wall. So it wasn't even enough room to get a camera in there, like a phone camera in, to get a picture. But my husband managed to, because all mine kept turning out blurry, and he managed to get the phone in there. We're in this area, Little Rock, Arkansas, and you break down. Cummins actually has hookup sites. They're not open at night because I see they have a gate over there. But while you're sitting here hanging out waiting, you're gonna have full, well, not full hookup. You got water and electricity. Thank goodness. It's humid, but it's not extremely hot. It's cloudy and rainy, so shade it. right? We don't have the hot sun anymore. We got a break from that, but now it's just humid and hot.
It smells like poop over here. Austin. Just kidding.
That would be this nasty little boy right here. That one.
I'm not now.
That's the nasty little boy you're hearing in the background.
Ah, it smells. I'm not.
This is the cute little girl you see in the foreground. This is our first thunderstorm. We live in the desert, so we don't get rain, and we've only had our 7 months. So this is our first thunderstorm.
Mom, we've been in some thunderstorms. Not with Oreo.
She's hot.
This is Oreo's.
I know, that's why the windows are open. Y'all stink.
This is Oreo.
I know, that's what I said. Y'all stink.
This is Oreo.
Right there, stinky butt.
Hi. This is Oreo's first.
That's a high.
Okay, this is Oreo's first thunderstorm, so don't scare her. Dog ain't gonna get scared. She will. A fly to get struck.
Oh, fly. She's been trying to catch a fly in the camper. Okay, we just found the storm chaser. We were telling you, storm hunter. He's a storm chaser. I don't know why he's driving away from the storm unless he's already had a bunch of action. We are looking for a geocache, but I'm starting to get attacked by bugs. There's a swamp over here.
Oh, that's a swamp.
Yeah, that's flat up swamp. I'm not sure where the
in the woods somewhere.
geocache is, so we're gonna have to turn you off, but we're right at the, what is that, Bockham Nursery AR Forestry Community, maybe? Here, grab her real quick. We got Oreo with us. She's on the scene. Pup is on the scene helping us find the geocache, and I don't know if there's poison ivy here or not. I see a little trail here. Okay, we're gonna have to turn you off so we can navigate to our geocache. Update soon. Update on the cache hike. We did not find it, but the weeds are tall. The water is swampy. The bugs are pretty bad, so we're being chickens on this one, I guess, and we're turning back. The cache is within 10 feet, which means it should be right where we're at, right in this area. But it's also a micro, and I've learned with micros, no, that's just trash. I've learned with micros that they're really hard to find in swampy areas, and I don't like swamps. I like to look at them. I don't like to play in them. So we're not gonna venture down to the, because the edge of the swamp's like right there. You can't even really tell where the edge of the swamp ends and the weeds start. So we're not gonna look for it. The last person that was here did not find it. That's the other reason I'm not gonna look for it. Yeah, I mean, it could be in there somewhere, but I don't know. We got to see the swamp. I think that was the main point of the cache, was to explore the swamp. And now we're gonna head back across the intersection to get back to our camper that is being repaired. Actually, it's not poison ivy. I don't know what it is, but it's not poison ivy. Okay, until our next little adventure, signing out. Our family escapades have just gotten started for the summer. Please subscribe and follow as we travel across the country and explore all the adventures and opportunities we find along the way. From our families to yours, a big hug, and we will see you on our next escapade.